Hello and welcome to another card trick tutorial. This is a very hard trick. This is actually the hardest trick that I've shown on this channel so far. But it'll take practice, but once you got it, it'll look pretty cool. So what you do is I have an ace of spades. Okay, so if I grab it on the corners and it actually changes into the 10 of hearts. Okay. So if you guys want to learn that, make sure to stay for the tutorial. Okay, so this trick it'll take a lot of practice, but if you practice enough, you'll get it, and it'll look really cool. So what you do is you're gonna grab. You can use this with any trick, pretty much. Yeah, let's say you make them choose a card. You find their card, or you pull over the top one and you do it and it'll change into their card or something like that. But you can make up a trick or just look on something, and there's a lot of tricks that you can put this trick to. But what you're gonna need is it's 2 cards. Okay, so I have the King of Hearts and the 3 of Clubs. But what you do is you're gonna make a double lift. Okay, so a double lift is just you pick up 2 cards. Okay, so what I will do is as I'm pulling this card over and grabbing it, I'm pulling over another card, and I will grab a pinky break. So it'll look like that. So there's a space here. Okay, so and then you flip the card over and square it up, and then you pick it up and you have 2 cards. Okay, so just once you get that, you won't need deck, but once you do that, okay, and you're gonna grab with your middle finger on your right hand and your thumb. You're gonna grab it on the sides of the numbers. Okay, make sure you don't grab it like this, because it'll take a lot more practice. Okay, so it doesn't really work too much, but make sure you grab with the sides with the numbers. Okay. So once you do that, you're going to grab with your left hand. You're going to have your middle finger and your thumb. Okay, you're going to grab the other sides, the other corners. Okay, so then you're going to, you're just going to pull. Okay, so if you do it, it should look like that. Okay, if you do it right. It takes practice. I've done this and it's failed a lot, but once you do it enough, it'll look pretty cool. So yeah, once you have that, once your bottom hand, okay, you're gonna pull it back. Okay, so when you're pulling it back and when you're ready, you're going to, with your thumb, okay, the bottom thumb, you're going to let go, and with your middle finger, this one right here, you're going to pull back. Okay, so you're gonna let go with your thumb and pull it back. Okay, and when you're doing it fast, it'll look it'll look like that. Okay, so you can just, and once you do that, once you know how to do that, you can just, so you grab it, okay, sorry, this thing fails a lot of me, but once you do it, you change it and you place it on top of the deck, and you can clean it so it's right here. Okay, so you're just hiding the evidence that it was 2 cards. So yeah, that's just a very simple trick I wanted to teach you guys. It takes a lot of practice to do this trick. It took me a while to do it, but once you got it, it will look pretty cool, and you can use it with a lot of tricks. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe if you want more card trick tutorials. And I'll see you guys next time.